Hello, I would like to welcome you all today. My name is Valerie Freeman, and I am the owner and founder of Valerie Financial Group. So, today, I will answer commonly asked questions about burial final expense insurance. Firstly, let's talk about what it is and its uses. Number one, what is burial final expense insurance? So, burial insurance is a type of whole life insurance policy that's designed to cover your funeral expenses, cremation, memorial service, casket, headstones, and urn costs. Now, there is a difference between burial insurance and a traditional whole life insurance policy. Burial insurance is designed specifically for funeral arrangements, which is why it's offered in lower amounts, such as $5,000 to $25,000, whereas a traditional whole life insurance is more so for income replacements, such as mortgage debt, medical bills, down payments, etc. Number two, I'm usually asked, how much burial insurance do I need? Okay, burial coverage starts at $5,000 up to $25,000, and it's best suited for those aged 50 to 85, and in some cases as early as age 30. You may ask, Valerie, how do I decide how much do I need? You will want to look at the current cost for funeral arrangements and then add at least $5,000 to $10,000 more, as you would want to think about the future costs as well as considering any possible debts that you may have. Keep in mind, you can always start at a lower amount and increase as needed. For example, if you have a policy starting at $5,000 but later decide that you would like to increase it to $20,000, I can certainly help you with that. Number three, do I have to wait 2 years to get coverage? So, answering this question would solely depend on your health. As an underwriter, it would be my job to ask you the necessary questions to determine whether you would be level or graded. You may ask, Valerie, what are level and what's graded? Very, very good question. Level, there's no waiting period and you will be covered day one. How awesome is that? And graded, there will be a 2-year wait, but with most companies, you will receive 110% of the premiums that have been paid into the policy if you were to pass away within the 2-year window. Wow. So you're not losing out on anything. You're going to get your money back plus 10%. Okay? And if you're over 50 and think you will benefit from this type of coverage, fill out the form below so that I can assist and guide you in your options and assigning beneficiaries to your insurance policy. Researching this type of plan should be a part of every senior's end-of-life financial planning. Every senior's end-of-life financial planning. It is highly recommended that you have your final wishes written out, as this will allow for your beneficiary or your loved ones to take care of your requests and your final wishes. Most importantly, it will keep your families from fighting over who gets what. No one should be fighting at a time where you should be celebrating the life of your loved one, right? No one wants to fight. Keep in mind, plans get more expensive the older you are, and most providers have a maximum age limit for buying one. So it's a good idea to look into getting one as early as possible, like today. We are not promised tomorrow. As a reminder, a GoFundMe is not an insurance policy. GoFundMes are another word for begging. Do not miss out on the opportunity to cover yourself or your loved ones as it is your responsibility and no one else's. You do not have to sell plates, sell your home, do car washes, set up donation cups, and beg because you have failed to plan properly. When you fail to plan, you plan to gather crumbs and get the leftovers. Don't you think your loved one is worth a proper burial? I think so. Also, keep in mind, there is no such thing as free life insurance. You will hear marketing stating that you can get insurance at no cost. That is not true. You will need a licensed insurance broker that partners with over 15 insurance companies that will allow you options and flexibility. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions. Make sure to fill out the form below so that I can help you get the coverage that you need for you and your loved ones. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.